First week of April here in North Texas, and it looks like the spawn has just started on my home lake. This video will be a compilation of my last few times out. Really haven't been able to do much fishing lately, but I'll put the few hours I've been able to cobble together over the past 3-4 weeks all in this video. Prior to this, pretty much the only way I could catch them was slow moving square bills kind of up shallow. I've had a tough time figuring them out, but it looks like the spawn's kind of delayed just due to the big cold snap that we had in mid-February. Has kind of slowed things down. Today I'm fishing one of my favorite baits during the spawn, this net bait, baby pocket crawl, Texas rigged. I don't peg it because I like it to flutter down, and I fish it with a glass bead and a tungsten weight to kind of give it a clicking noise in the stained water. Helps the fish find it, in my opinion. Fishing real slow today, basically throwing up against the shore, then kind of dragging it down the bank, and when you hit the right spot, you can kind of see the line move off to the side, and they've picked it up. So connected with a few fish today, so hope you liked the video from the last few times out, and more on the way. Hopefully I'll get back in a regular pattern again now that we've got the warm weather. But appreciate you stopping by and checking it out. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll catch you on the next one. Right. Oh. 2.5, 3 pounds. All right, Reese.
Yeah, that's a big one.
I was thinking I was just about ready to leave.
No. Getting painful.
You need a photo of that one?
Yeah. That's a good one.
All right.
Awesome.
Oh, there's a fish on it. That's why it felt weird. It's like, man, what am I bumping? Well, it's like this thing just feels like it's bumping something really weird. Because I was kind of coming down that fence row. Boy, that's a monster. A fish on. Felt like another bite. Well, maybe there's another little one on, or maybe I just got some weeds. No, it's a fish. There must be some little bitty ones back in there. Oh, he's getting bigger all of a sudden. Little dink. There's one right at the boat. Sure.
From way out there. And then I came in and just kept it really fast and decent. And then they gave us, oh, that one? It's a baby. It's a baby.
It still counts.
I'll take it.
You betcha.
Little ding. Might be the same one.
Doesn't matter, they all count. Nice.
Yeah, another. That is so funny.
Good looking fish.
Different fish.
Still pretty.
Oh. Yeah, I definitely get. I don't care.
There we go. Yay! Starting to get worried. Whoops. So much for my smooth release. Hang on, little fella. There we go. Go. There's another one. Probably my best one of the day. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, exactly. And every single thing is labeled.
Oh yeah. There. Oh, way to go.
I had a bite over here.
Well, I saw some shad.
This is a real good spot right here because this is my second cast in a row, and I got.
It's a nice fish. Because I thought I saw some shad being pushed, and that's why I switched to this crankbait. But no takers because they were waiting. They were waiting for the master.
Yeah. Right. Well, I've got this size master, that's for sure.
Hey, they all count. It's fun.
All right.
It's a pretty fish. Fish here are a lot prettier than they are at Joe Pool. I'll say that.
They are pretty. They'll get big.
Hey, well, were you really a banker or just a teller? There we go. Stopped it dead. You're not big, but you'll do.
My size, that's bigger than my size.
I don't know. Thank you, sir.
Out here with Orlando in the summer, and I helped him sting.
There's another one.
And it was just so crazy hot. And we're out there. Oh wow, man. And we're working and working. we're taking a break. We go up there on the patio. We're drinking, I don't know, tea or something, talking. And then at the time I was spending time with him because I like working.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. He's been caught a couple times. Well, maybe just the hooks on this one. Looks like she's up for the spawn. Thinking about a 4.5 pound fish. Let's get her on the scale and see. Looks like 4 pounds on the money. Nice. Let's get her. Sweet. Little fish. Go. It's a nice one. Down, stay down, stay down, stay down. There we go. Come on, good girl, stay down. That's a pretty fish. No, we got one on the board. Got the nice dark spots on him. On the board. Looks like a little male bass up shallow. Right. Nice little 2.5 pounder. I don't think they're spawning yet. I don't see any bloody tails, and this looks like it might be a male. But beautiful fish. Thank you, sir. Finally a white bass. I was wondering what was happening to him. Hang on, dude. They should be spawning soon too. Yes, sir. Yeah. Baby. Hang on, big girl. Hang on, big girl. Oh, she's a beaut. Just barely skinned out. Look at that. Yeah. Maybe you hooked a little better than I thought. Oh, yeah. Thank you. That's a pretty fish. All those black dots on it. Sweet. All right, let's get you a drink and get you some pictures. £1.5 bass. Pretty. Woohoo!